To modernize your finance with Microsoft Dynamics 365, start by creating a Microsoft account, which will allow you to access your Dynamics 365 account. With Dynamics 365, you can easily access a wide range of financial information at your fingertips. Using your browser, you can also utilize a Copilot feature to quickly get answers to questions, stay updated on sales appointments, and receive late news for your account. The platform enables you to efficiently check your finances, goals, forecasts, and performance, allowing you to work remotely and stay on top of your financial situation without being constantly tied to the office. Additionally, Dynamics 365 offers a collaborative environment where you can chat and work with others. By leveraging these features, you can streamline your financial management and make more informed decisions. Overall, Microsoft Dynamics 365 provides a powerful tool for modernizing your finance and staying ahead in today's fast-paced business environment.